Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your in-depth read now. Let's see how you're doing, Pisces, how your person is doing, and what action can we expect now in your love life. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Pisces, let's begin. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, we welcome you also, Pisces. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Alright, so as always, two sides to the story, Pisces. I will be setting down two sides. One side for me is person A. This is person B. You could be on either side. If this is your story, you'll know which side. And in this, here we have your action cards. Most expected action person A would like to take, and one for person B. Six of Wands in reverse, bottom of my deck, Pisces. Somebody is feeling a little ashamed and embarrassed, it seems, of their actions here. For person A, what I see is they either want to return or they want their person to return back. Maybe they've done a little bit of trickery, or they've done something in the past which they may be ashamed of, I don't know, or that's how they feel. Person B, there's been some kind of an argument or fight, and person B feels my partner always tries to get the better of me, always pushes me down, and it's always their way or the highway, and person B is almost turning their back now to see, hey, let me see what else is out there now. Let's see what's going on. I'm going to take some dialogue message cards, Pisces, first. See if you guys wanted to say something to each other. Then we'll start clarifying these cards. So Pisces and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Pisces, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Okay. Let's take a few more from here. Pisces and their person. Okay. Good to go, Pisces. Let's begin your reading. The first card here says, I'm trying to be the person that you see me to be. I never thought I could be that person. I keep reading our old text messages. Sometimes, because I know we will be together, I take you for granted. Maybe that's what they were doing in the past, being a bit of a trickster. I cried all night, wondering why you weren't sleeping next to me. I have other things on my mind other than you. I don't think I can handle this anymore. I feel so stupid for choosing lust over love. Okay, Pisces, if this seems to be resonating with your storyline, I'm going to start with a blessing first from my angels to see how they're going to bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Pisces. My angels, retreat. Maybe it's time to take a step back, retreat a little bit, Pisces, or maybe it's time to go on a little vacation. I don't know what this is. It could have multiple meanings. I'm going to do the cards and see why this card is here for you. So let's start with the energies of person A, Pisces. I'm going to concentrate on only this side, not this one. You would know whether you are here or there, right? So let's begin. What's this Eight of Cups, Pisces, for Pisces spirit? Eight of Cups. And the Magician in reverse. And the Magician in reverse. They want to return. Person A really does want to return, or they want their person to return. Maybe in the past they were not making any kind of a decision, but now they want this fight to end. They want this fight to end. They want barriers to come down now. They want a return of this connection. The problem here was that maybe somebody here was playing a trickster, not making a decision, maybe being a bit rash and, kind of jumping in and out of person B's life, being very immature, I would say, very immature. Maybe saying even that, communication wasn't soft and gentle as it should be when you're in love. This person was a bit aggressive maybe, or just immature, I would say. So now they are realizing that yes, I was being a trickster, I never made any decisions, I was putting it off with my behavior, but do want to return now. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person A to be feeling this way now? Star in reverse. They got led into a different direction, wrong direction it seems. Yes, they lost their chance to have a firm foundation, a happily ever after, but they do want to come out of it. I have this card twice now, 5 of Cups in reverse and 5 of Cups in reverse. So they do want to now kind of get out of this feeling of regret and sorrow about the way things haven't worked in this dynamic. They do want to put in work, yes, and they want to come out of a stuck place now. They are going back and forth in their mind as to feel what I can do now, what work can I put in now to have this equal give and take back in their life. So how this person is really feeling, person A is feeling, is that they've lost a big love of their life. Why is that, Spirit? Ace of Cups in reverse. Why do they feel the Ace of Cups in reverse? Yes, because they know they've been playing the magician. They were playing a trickster in the past. Now, because of this kind of behavior, they've lost a very big chance of the best love of their life, but they do want a rebirth now. They are waiting and looking for a second chance. They now do want to have this equal give and take between both of you. So, one more, Spirit, for the 6 of Pentacles. 6 of Pentacles. Yes, because now they're missing their soulmate. They're missing their soulmate. They want to come forward and put in some work. They are now remembering all the sweet memories that they shared with person B. They do want to come back to their soulmate. What action they'll finally most probably take, we'll open later. Let's go on to the other side and see what's happening with person B now. Person B has the 5 of Swords. Why is that, Spirit? 5 of Swords. Okay, one more. One more. They feel that person was always very emotionally manipulative, very immature in their behavior, always had to have their way, never kind of made them feel this 6 of Pentacles, which I think their partner now wants to offer them. They feel they've always kind of made me feel never grounded, like they made very unwise decisions basically, never opened up, never showed their emotions. Maybe heart of hearts, person B always knew that there was a potential for love here, but they never felt that openness, that emotional offer was never made to them. So they feel, all right, then maybe it's time for me to turn my back with the 3 of Wands and maybe see what else is out there. Yeah, they feel this was a false soulmate connection, and maybe if it was, then they've lost it already. There is no chance of having it back now, and person B is actually feeling quite rejected, sad, and upset that this didn't work out the way they maybe hoped it would. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be going through this? 2 of Wands in reverse. I think they wanted some decision to get made, because maybe this was up in the air and nobody was making a choice, but it was refused. The decision was not to go through with it and not to commit maybe. Yes, I think the person B feels that person A was very selfish and self-centered. It was all about them all the time. They never made me feel like the empress they should have. They knocked me off my pedestal by all this games that they were playing, mind games that they were playing. And if they've made a decision in the past, then I might as well accept it and let it go. Two of Pentacles, Spirit. Two of Pentacles. Yes, they feel, yeah, they feel by not making a choice and keeping it, always wishy-washy, this entire relationship seems to have backfired now. Person B is kind of lost hope. They feel there is absolutely no chance for a stable new beginning. In fact, they feel this is the end. I've been betrayed, I've been hurt, I've been left for dead. And this is over. Ace of Pentacles, Spirit. Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles in reverse is clarified by the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. This is how bad person B has been feeling or is still feeling. They really lost hope that they can ever have a new beginning with person A now. Why is that, Spirit? What else? Yes, they feel it's stagnant for too long, and that person is very matter of fact, never has clear communication with them, is not emotionally open to them. Ten of Swords. Ten of Swords. Person B is accepted that this has probably ended. It came sideways, the Death card, so I feel it's taken person B a long time to actually release this connection. I don't think they really ever wanted to. They were holding on to it for as long as they could. But I think they're coming to this point where they're quite ready now to say, hey, if you're not with me, then I'm going to leap off that cliff and have a fresh new beginning somewhere else. I'm going to be free. I'm not going to wait around anymore. So let's see what action person A will take now. Queen of Wands. Why is that an action, Spirit? Why is that an action? Why is that an action? Same cards again for person A. Now they've started, I think, seeing their person as a very attractive, dynamite person. But now that their person, they also see that the person has really glowed up since you guys maybe are in separation. Now they're realizing the value of person B, but a little too late, I think, because they know, at heart of hearts, they know that the person has already walked away from them and no longer offering them this cup of love. They are also kind of losing hope, to be honest, but they don't want to be in this stressful place. So will they take any action, Spirit, or are they just going to sit and think? Will person A take any action towards person B? They don't think they have stand a chance now. They feel their person is absolutely removed themselves. Person B has absolutely removed themselves and is holding back from them big time. Yes, thank God. I was waiting for this card. They do want to communicate. This is the card I was asking, will they take any action? Yes, as much as they are fearing that, their person is holding back or is not showing any love and may never forgive them, I think they're still holding on to this connection. They want to come out of this place of being stressed out and not being able to sleep, fearing that, the worst has already happened. They've already lost their person. I think person A does want to communicate. At least that's the action that they're thinking of. Person B, will you take any action? King of Swords. Why is that an action, Spirit? Why is this an action that person B would like to take? One more. Person B is thinking long and hard. I think that person B is trying to take a very logical mindset to this connection now. What person B is wanting is emotional openness and emotional happiness. They don't want any conflict. They don't want any fighting. They don't want to be in competition. All they want to do is move ahead in their life and find somebody who's actually going to offer them this, an emotional offer of love. So they're sitting pretty, I think. I don't think they're making a move either. They are just sitting here with their 9 cups and saying, I'm pouring all that love to me now. I'm getting out of any competition and I'm waiting for the correct person who's going to be honest, and not just honest but also be emotionally open. So person A, you've heard what person B had to say. You're going to do anything? Person A, oh my God, this is person A is immediately decided, yes, I want to commit. I'm not letting my person get away from me. I'm coming in with a conversation and an offer of commitment. Beautiful. Yeah, some decision is going to be made soon. Some decision will be made soon where you guys can finally put that burden down. Right now, I think there's a little bit of fear attached to this, or little, people are unsure as to how the other person feels. I think the masculine in this dynamic is feeling a little insecure right now because they really don't know what they're going to be greeted with, whether the person has actually just kind of ended this, is there a chance, but they do want to come in. They're missing person B now big time. So that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.